Hey, check out what I got right here. I got that credit card funding doc. Yep, the same doc and the same techniques I use to get all these credit cards that you see right here. And for a limited time, I'm going to be offering this credit card funding doc to anyone who would love to learn how to be able to get $120,000 in credit card funding just like I did. You want the American Express Platinum or the American Express Gold? Guess what? It's in there. I'll show you how to get both of them at the same time. How would you like a $25,000 Navy Federal flagship card? It's in there. I show you how to get that card and many more. It's all inside of my credit card funding doc. Now, I know over the years I've shared a lot of information about credit card funding, but this information in this doc I've never shared. So look down in the description so you can get your copy of the credit card funding doc, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.